How to fix a muted video on TikTok. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can fix a muted video on TikTok. Now, if your video has been muted, then it's probably because you used a copyright song or the song that's not available in your country or in your region. If this is the case, what you wanna do is you can delete the video and then re-upload it again. Now for an example, I'll just open up a video. Now I don't have any muted videos here. If suppose this video was muted, then what I want to do is download it from here. You can see the save video option just once you tap on the three dots option here on your video, and then you'll get the save video option on the bottom left corner of your screen, and then save it here. And then what you want to do is delete the video. Now tap on the three dots again, and if you scroll all the way to your right, you'll find the delete video option. Now delete it, and what you want to do is head over to your plus icon that you can see on the screen, and then here what you want to do is select the video from here. Now suppose this is the video that I just recently deleted. Now I'll just tap in next, and what I want to do is I will select another sound for the video. Now since the video had copyright claim, or since the audio got muted, then it's probably because of copyright issues or other restrictions. So what you want to do is change the sound. How you can do it, tap on edit, and you can tap on the video, and you can tap on volume, and here you can set it to 0. Now it will mute your video, and then you can add another voiceover, or you can add any other music by tapping on edit here, and then you can tap on sound options that you can see on the screen, and you can tap on add sound, and you can select other sounds from here. This way you can fix a muted video on TikTok. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.